Hi everybody! So welcome to this 20 almost live by Kentico, and I'm saying almost live by Kentico because for those who try to attend our live broadcast on Tuesday, you might have noticed that something was a bit weird since there were no sound on the broadcasting. So first we thought that it was on our side, that maybe me or Andy pushed the wrong button, or maybe even Andy's cat jumped on the keyboard or something was wrong on our side. But we figured out after that it was actually coming from StreamYard. They were doing some security update, which basically killed all the sound on the broadcast live on the LinkedIn page. So there were no sounds on this one, but it's okay. Like, that's life. So we found out that it would be the perfect occasion to try a new format actually for this 20 Live by Kentico. So the 20 Live by Kentico is dead. Welcome to the 20 almost Live by Kentico session that will start right now with some Kentico news. The big news for today is that we actually did a completely revamp of the digital maturity assessment tool. We used to call it a calculator. We are not calling it a calculator anymore because there is nothing to actually calculate. It's more to assess. So we call it the digital maturity assessment tool. We also produced, I will show you in a second, the demo video of this digital maturity assessment tool. Just to let you know that we also produced an ebook. I will give you the link in comments of this video to find out the ebook that is explaining you what's your level of digital maturity and how to use this digital maturity assessment tool. So this one will be a very easy demo. Let's click on start the assessment. I'm obviously not going through right answer now. It's just to show you that is really simple and straightforward questions. We use marketing automation, yes. Oh, we are integrating our BXP with the CLN, and voila. And there is this little demo of the new digital maturity assessment tool. As you can see, it's very straightforward, and I will give you the link in the comments for this. This thing is dem.kentico.com, and I will give you also the link to the digital maturity ebook that we just produced to go with this new tool. Another news from us, in 1 week we'll be closing the submission for the Site of the Year 2024 awards. So you know that's the award that we are doing every year, where we are selecting a few great projects that were built on Kentico, whether it would be built on Kentico Xperience 13 and especially an Xperience by Kentico. We will close the submission at the end of this week. You probably know about it, but if you don't, maybe you can watch this little video that we did to invite you to submit your project.
Here at Kentico, we're all about empowering our partners to achieve greatness. Site of the Year 2024 is here, and we are searching for best Kentico projects. Last year entries showcased an impressive lineup of projects. Each project demonstrating your remarkable talent in helping our clients thrive and creating stunning Kentico experiences. Apply today and make 2024 your year to shine.
Thank you, Peter. Thank you, Peter Clauda, for this nice invitation to submit your project to Site of the Year. We will be closing the submission next Thursday, I think, on the 19th of December. So you still have a few days to give us your project to participate and to enter this contest. Now we are going to join Debbie's in her Prague's office, and Debbie's will go through a few items. She will start by giving you news about the last December refresh. Then she will go through the highlight of 2024 in terms of product, what was new, in terms of company also, what was the highlight for Kentico in 2024. Remember that we are celebrating 20 years this year, so that was one pick for Kentico. And then she will give you some overview of what's coming next in 2025, and it's pretty exciting. I can recommend you to watch this recording to the end, because there is a lot of exciting and interesting news coming with Debbie, our very own VP of product, at the end of this recording.
Hi everyone, as you can see, I've got my little Christmas gift bows on today, and there's a reason why I've got the gift bows, because there are so many gifts for you coming out in the December refresh. If you haven't taken a look at it, I really urge you to go and have a look what's in it. It is by far the most feature and functionality filled refresh that we have released on our monthly cadence to date. It has gifts big and small in it, starting with some of the bigger features, like, for example, the new workspaces feature. That is now in the product, enabling you to really manage your content permissions on a much more granular level, so that you can scope the content hub for specific kinds of roles, and that goes across all of the various different channels, obviously, that we can consolidate within the product. So it's a great new approach to the permissions model, a lot simpler and easier to use than we have had previously with Kentico, and it's going to be fully extensible to other objects in the future, which is absolutely great addition. We've also done a lot in terms of image asset management and transformation, so format conversions and quality optimization is in there. We've also added SVG and AVIF support as well. So there's a lot of really nice things in there for the editors within the Content Hub. For the marketers, we've also added a lot of enhancements to marketing automation. You can now further tailor your customers' engagement with your brand just based on specific kinds of customer activities now, which is really great news. There's a lot of other smaller things in there, but we know that small things also deliver a lot of value, such as things like page cloning, which I know a lot of our editors have been looking forward to receiving. So that's for the refresh. Now, if we look back over 2024, it's been a pretty big year for us. Not only did we celebrate our 20th anniversary, our 20th birthday, but we've also done a lot with regard to Xperience by Kentico. So we introduced a brand new architecture for managing content and channels within a consolidated fashion. The Content Hub has been a pretty big hit within our partner community. And so we're really pleased that everyone is starting to see that there's a lot of digital asset management goodness coming out through that particular approach that we've taken there. We introduced Ira, of course, our embedded AI service for helping marketers and editors to be a lot more efficient. We also introduced marketing automation in 2024. So we've really leaned into a lot more of the digital marketing capabilities that are natively embedded within the product itself. But last but not least, I also wanted to mention the connection events. It was so great to be out and about amongst our fabulous partner network in Prague and Miami, and to be able to remotely dive into our partners in APAC region. It was great to be able to showcase some of our exciting new concepts, particularly to kind of reveal some of the secrets behind the curtain, and to also learn a lot more about your projects and your challenges that you're working on at the moment. I was particularly happy to learn how the Xperience by Kentico migration toolkit is being leveraged by a lot of projects now to be able to speed up that data migration process during the upgrades, and that it's really helping you to enable your customers to re-platform to Kentico from other vendors, which is absolutely fabulous news. I really feel privileged every single time that I go to these events that we have the ability to work so closely with our partners. It's something that I value intensely because the feedback and the suggestions that you make really help us to go from strength to strength and make Xperience by Kentico even better. So thank you for all your feedback in 2024. It's been absolutely amazing, and I really, really look forward to hearing more ideas from you as we head into the months ahead. So that takes me into 2025. So what's in store for the next 6 months, shall we say? Okay, so on top of the more content management and platform capabilities, there are a few pretty exciting capabilities that we've got in store for you. So we're expecting to launch IRA Unified in the new year. So this will enable you to offer your marketers and editors the ability to ingest content and assets from other devices and applications. So really connecting to where they're actually doing their work on a day-to-day basis so that they don't always have to be logged into their digital experience platform or content management system. We're also working on customer journeys and the AI-powered insights that will go along with that. That's a really interesting, exciting new development that we have for Xperience by Kentico, something that we haven't really traditionally done within previous products. This one is going to be great. It's going to be super visual, and I'm really looking forward to it. Of course, the email builder is coming, as well as native commerce. I know a lot of you were very excited to hear about that at that announcement at the recent Connection events. But last but not least, we're exploring further into the consolidation story, obviously, and we are looking to bring in what we call one-click AI-generated microsites, which means that the marketers will be able to kind of stay within the platform and be able to generate those microsites for their campaigns very quickly and easily, and they will not have to go to, set up an open source or to kind of circumvent their IT teams any longer. They'll be able to do everything themselves right from within the platform. So that's pretty exciting news as well. So I just wanted to take this moment to say thank you very much once again for an absolutely fabulous 2024. I wish you all the best for 2025 and look forward to working with you on some amazing projects.
And welcome back to me. That was Debbie, your VP of Product, showing you a lot of very interesting things. First, she went through the December refresh of Kentico, the huge December refresh of Xperience by Kentico. She gave you also some highlights from her point of view of what happened in 2024 in Kentico, and that was a great year for us. And most of it, she gave you some interesting insight on what's coming next in 2025, what would be the next best thing for Kentico: commerce, customer journey, AI Unified, the one-click microsite, the email builder. That's the end of this 20 almost live by Kentico. I hope that you like this format. Tell us in comments, by the way, if you like this format, because we'll probably be able to do it again with Debbie if it's the case. And we will be back also with 20 live by Kentico, hopefully in January without any technical issues. Technical issues fail. Speaking about fail, that's the perfect occasion for me to give you our Christmas gift and to wish you happy holidays and happy new year with this.
One day, I accidentally cleared the whole Portal QA database with a simple misclick.
Oh, their account is gone and they need just to re-register.
My strong...
It's gonna be the worst day of your life.
For your ear to shine.
Yeah, that was it. So happy holiday season. And last one thing, we just launched also a contest on our social network, holiday contest. You know about Easter eggs that are hidden somewhere on the page. So we did a contest with some Easter eggs. Should I call them Christmas eggs? That are hidden in our lexic page. We have this lexic page. It's a glossary of usual terms that are pretty common in our industry, and we have hidden a few terms that have nothing to do with the rest inside our LinkedIn page. So if you like to have a chance to win a pair of socks, a pair of Kentico socks, you just need to check the LinkedIn comments for the link and to check our lexic page and find out where are these hidden terms in our lexic page. On that note, I wish you again happy holidays, and I will see you next year. Bye. Yeah, that was it.